Hark the herald angels sing the soprano part. Soprano note, alto note, tenor, and bass. Sopranos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hark the herald angels sing. Glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinner reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise. Join the triumph of the skies. With the angelic host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of the Virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh the Godhead see, hail the incarnate deity, pleased as man with man to dwell, Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Mild he lays his glory by, born that man no more may die, born to raise the sons of earth, born to give them second birth, risen with healing in his wings, light and life to all he brings. Hail the Son of Righteousness, hail the heaven-born Prince of Peace.